Okay, 1.3 miles, 550 Al-Bash. First order of the day is not the best, but I don't have anything else right now, so let's take it. Okay, here we are. It's a very short trip, and let's go. Let's go see if hope it's ready. Oh, although experience says it might not, so let's check it out. I'll have an Uber request. Ooh, yes, Al-Bash, I have a double. Hey! Cool. I might have to wait here. This is a double. Alright. Triple, I just got another one for Justin and same restaurant. 3 orders from the same restaurant. That's crazy. 2 Ubers and 1 DoorDash. Looks like Christmas time. I have 4 bags, people. 4 bags of food from the same restaurant. So, Uber. And then separate by importance right now. I'm going to deliver first the DoorDash because they time me. So yeah, you go on top. You're the first. All right. See you soon, guys. Okay, we are arriving. We are 500 feet away. I've delivered here a lot of times. I know where it is. So let's try to do it fast because I need to run to the other 2 deliveries, guys. Let's do it. All right. So here we start merging. Here, boom. And I need to take a little ramp they have here because I'm not leaving my scooter on the sidewalk. That's an invitation to get it robbed. It's here.
The destination is on your left.
Okay.
910
See you soon, guys. 9. Yeah, I know this guy. You were there before. Yep. Alright. Boom. Boom. Thank you. Moving on. Moving to the second drop-off of Al-Bash Chicken on Sycamore Avenue, West Hollywood. Here we are. Oh, okay, so it is here to the right. I had delivered here before. It is a little complicated to go up, so let's see. Oh, actually it's not this one. Huh, it's the next one. That might be faster because it's an older house. Is it here? No, it says 26. Huh. Maybe this one? Maybe this one. Yes. Perfect. I love this one. Yeah. Cool. So this one it is Michael. The other Michael. Oh. There we go.
Hello.
Oh, Michael?
Yeah, that's me.
Awesome, man. Enjoy.
Oh, thank you.
Here, very close, 0.5 miles away on Formosa. This is really cool, really short distances. Love it today. These first 3 have been amazing. So here we are, 500 feet away. Here to the right, 300 feet away. Boom. It's a house of what, according to the GPS. That's good. That means faster delivery. 14. Yeah, it's this one. It's here. Yep. Okay. That's very good. So instructions are: leave a door, parking driveway in front of gray Audi, and leave behind the car. Oh, perfect. Yeah. That's my jam. I love it. Those really awesome notes. Leave food behind the car. Love it. Boom. Boom. Next. Thank you. I have a new DoorDash 950 for 1.4. It's actually taking me up to Hollywood, really far, but I'll do it. Good money. Hey guys. I have a pickup for Nicole B, DoorDash.
Nicole B, DoorDash. Give me just 1 sec.
Thank you. Ooh, there we go. Going on. Perfect. At the apartment. I know this place very well because my girlfriend used to live around this. But it's my first time inside of it. It had to be a second part. Always the most difficult apartmenting in a building is the one that orders. That's a law. Always happens. Next. Hey, $5 for 0.8 miles. Hollywood Sushi, DoorDash. Let's do it. For some reason, Uber Eats, it's not sending me anything. Huh. Hi. Justin? Justin K, yeah. Thank you. Right? That's Stevie's friend, Jenny. Hello, Stevie. There's Jenny. They're smelling the sushi, huh? Alright. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Alright, 3 feet this way. Okay. 12 and 13 there. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you. Moving on. Bye, Pishu. Okay. So while I was delivering this, I got an offer from Uber Eats for 12 bucks, Buffalo Wild Wings, short distance. Let's do it. I hate going to this place. It's always late, but it's through Uber, so let's hope they have the order, and if they don't, actually I can cancel without any repercussions. So boom, let's go. Hi. Alec for Uber?
Alex?
Alec B. Alright, thank you. That's a no. This is a joke and an example of a customer who won't tip, and it's $3, and I'm not going to Bossa Nova, which is always late for $3. So no, dude, you gotta start tipping your drivers. So F off. Guys, I got an audition right now. I gotta run back home. So not every day is a winner. I did like 1 hour and 17, and I got 8.51 before tips on Uber. Let's say 9, and 20.50 on DoorDash. So I made like 30 bucks for 1 hour. That's it. I'm hoping for some tips, and I'm heading home. If you like this, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.